Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to search songs in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to search for songs, let's see how can you do that. There's two different ways. The first way is that you just have to keep a long press on this home icon and it will open Google Overlay. So you must have to tap on this song here, and here you must have to say that here it's listening. You must have to search for the song title. In this way you can easily search for songs, but there's a second way. Just scroll down your control center, and here you can easily add search song feature to your quick settings. So you can see there is no any feature. Just tap on this pencil icon, then tap on edit, and here just look for song search, tap on it, and it will be added to your quick settings. Just tap on done, then done again, and here you'll get your song search. You must have to tap on it and it will automatically search for song. You must have to search for song title. So that's how you can easily search for songs in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.